Right, my friends, so we've cleaned out the top of the engine. Now we're gonna get ourselves cloths, these fucking things. Now this can all go away now. Right, so
if you want to have a clean, neat car, lads and lasses, you can't just clean outside. You have to get its guts and clean them.
Nobody knows but me.
okay, all this shit comes off of the plastic very easily. Oh, fucking scared the shit out of me.
Я скотч взять.
Не, это, блин, а такой...
Ну, нам надо шарить эти.
Damn, ну ладно, берите
Нам
этот.
надо довольно мало.
Ну ладно, бери весь этот с этой штукой.
Да?
Конечно, как вы будете отрывать.
Yeah, you probably didn't understand fuck all about just telling my daughter where shit is. Can't find anything in this shithole.
Let's get a bit of carb and choke cleaner. Carb and choke cleaner. So this is all on the surface, so oh, this shit is easy, dudes.
So keep scrubbing like motherfuckers.
Nobody knows but me.
Now this carefully needs to come off, and all that shit needs to be cleaned out in there too.
Now, lads and lasses, this cock of the M50 manifold is lodged and stuck in there good and proper, like an Alsatian in a Pekingese. So you really need to twist it, use a bit of leverage like a screwdriver, and really someone squeezed it to make it fit, to make its kidneys shift.
Nobody knows but me.
Good.
Now once you got that nodger off, you have to jizzer in it. Basically put some degreaser or some other shit or carb cleaner to get all that crap out.
At the highest level, when you look at viruses, at the highest level, you can divide them into two categories. There's a DNA virus and an RNA virus, and that's about the genetics of the virus. So this is a virus that's about the genetics. It's about what's inside here.
And make sure you spray plenty so no viruses get in there. You don't want your engine catching a virus in it, so you might as well put Bumbaclat on the air intake manifold.
And so it's a different type of process that happens in your immune system. But these new coronaviruses have been around for 60 years. 60. There's 32 different types of coronaviruses that they've identified. Some of them are in animals. There's 4 for sure.
Nobody knows but me.
And so there's 7 viruses altogether that can cause coronaviruses and cause infection. So we're trying to develop a vaccine against coronavirus.
Singing loud.
Okay, then you wanna. We're gonna, before we put it on, I'm gonna give it a blast.
And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Nobody.
Okay, then what you wanna do? Oh yeah, by the way, program there about vaccines. Don't ever have any vaccines, guys. Right, then you want silicone spray. Oh shit. So get all the rings nicely in silicone.
Nobody knows but me.
Okay, so let this soak for a bit more. Now we're gonna fucking put more carb cleaner in there. Okay. Okay, this is idle control valve. So we're hoping, let's just take this apart anyway. Right. Carb cleaning this.
They're just evil, horrible people. Like, I'm just trying to understand their motivation. It's one thing
one of the things that we kind of try not to talk about in the vaccine world over the years is the whole eugenics movement. Right. Now we kind of give them a liability.
Okay guys, you see how shitty these pipes are? This gets cleared up very, very easily with some silicone.
Problems with vaccines. I mean, I really don't like the term anti-vax. I don't like the term because I don't think it's accurate. I think that I think the more accurate term is non-vaxxer. Either you've chosen not to do it, or you did it before, and you're not going to do it anymore. It's not that you're it's not like I'm going to be, I like one of the things that Bobby Kennedy said, 3% of the kids in your practice get every dose of those 10 vaccines by 2 years of age. We're going to give you a $400 per kid bonus. So they funded that. So if anybody doesn't think that vaccines have to do with money, you're sorely mistaken.
And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Nobody knows what, nobody knows what, nobody knows.
Yes, this is a throttle body, and it also needs to be cleany, shiny if you want your car to be in a concourse condition. So, spend a bit of time wiping it with degreaser and then a bit of grease to lubricate those parts. And yeah, not rocket science really, lads.
And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Nobody knows what, nobody knows what, nobody knows.
Okay, next to these, just give them a light clean with a electrical contact cleaner.
Nobody knows what,